happens if 100 Iranian missiles hit a U.S. aircraft carrier at once? Right now, a U.S. aircraft carrier is one of the most protected machines on Earth, surrounded by destroyers, submarines, and advanced defense systems designed to shoot down incoming threats. But here's the problem. Modern missiles don't come one at a time. They come in waves. Some fly low over the ocean, others move at supersonic speeds, and a few can even change direction mid-air. Even the best defense systems have limits. They can intercept dozens of targets, but not all at once. And if even one missile gets through, it could cause massive damage. But here's the reality. A U.S. carrier isn't fighting alone. It's part of a strike group covering hundreds of miles, meaning any attack would trigger a response far beyond just one ship.